Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are looking at the top 5 growth stocks you need in your portfolio to buy before 2026. We're going to be talking about all of that, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about investing and trading in the market, check out our school. It's awesome. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. We teach you how to invest. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years. So check it out down below, and you guys can get 50% off by using code FREEDOM. 4th of July day sale, so check it out down below. And let's have a quick word from our broker, which is the best broker called Moomoo. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. Now, Moomoo is that trading broker, so I would highly recommend checking them out. And let's dive into this. So this is a very common question that I get asked is, Carter, what are the top 5 growth stocks you are buying before 2026? So I want to talk about them, and we'll talk about why I bought it and giving you guys my full insights behind it. So stock at number 1 here is going to be Amazon. Now, Amazon for me, it has high growth with AWS. It's expanding e-commerce operation, and it continues to invest in logistics, AI, chips for operational efficiency. So I also think that this thing has a huge upside for cloud computing and artificial intelligence. You guys can see that it sold off like crazy from $242 all the way to lows here at $185, and we've been just slowly climbing its way back up to highs. So yes, this stock, in my opinion, I think that people are getting more and more dependent on companies like Amazon, just because they're reliable. You can order something this afternoon and have it come that same day, which is crazy. So I think that this is a company I use. I think it's absolutely fantastic, and I'm definitely buying more shares that I have. All right, stock at number 2 here, I always got to put them in, is Nvidia. Nvidia obviously is one of the AI players. It dominates artificial intelligence. It's a data chip market. It has high analysts predicting great growth. It has awesome annual revenues. It's beaten the earnings. It has robust demand. But why I like it here as well is because we've gotten some great new price hikes, some great price targets from like BlackRock, and they just continue to lead in AI infrastructure. So yeah, I'm going to continue to dominate. I'm going to continue to buy and hold this stock. I know some of you may look at it and go, oh my gosh, it's $160 for a stock that was once, $40, but I'm telling you, this stock, looking back in the next 10 years, we're going to be wishing we would have picked up some shares of this here. So definitely picking up some more that I already own. All right, stock at number 3 here is TSLA. I got to talk about it just because I think they're the leader of the electric vehicle space. They're investing heavily into energy tech, robotics, self-driving systems. The new robo taxis have been slowly rolling out. It does expect to get a nice little bounce back in the next quarter here, which is really good. And the projected growth for 2025 is about 16%. The government ties may fast track autonomous tech and boosting future growth. So I'm definitely picking up some shares of this. It does have a nice little trend, as you guys can see, for all of those traders and investors that like to use technical indicators like myself. So definitely a good time to pick up some shares here. All right, the next stock here that I love is Microsoft, MSFT. Now, Microsoft, you guys can see, just hit highs, but it's awesome. The cloud growth is great at about 18 to 30%. They continue to invest into AI alternatives. They invest into Copilot. They had a new partnership with OpenAI, ChatGPT. It's fueling profits, strong margins. Shifting from the Magnificent Seven with more durability and diversified growth. So definitely picking up some nice shares of some Microsoft here. And let's talk about the last play that I am looking at here. And this is a stock that I actually don't own, which is surprising. And this is Salesforce. Salesforce has gotten huge sell off from 320 all the way down to lows at about really lows at about 230 here. But, I think Salesforce does have a really high, strong AI momentum. Projected for next year is about 13% with some great EPS, also known as earnings per share, trading right now at about 25 times forward earnings, and that's below the 5-year average. It offers both growth and reasonable valuation. So it's definitely one that I see we could have some nice potential out of this. And so, guys, there's obviously a whole bunch of other ones that carry potential, like Palantir, Broadcom, all of those. But these are the top 5 that I'm holding. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe. Make sure you guys like and follow, and check out our school. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, like, follow, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.